Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello viewers. So today I'm starting our IELTS vocabulary learning point, and I think I will discuss today about speaking and reading high scoring vocabulary. I can't say speaking and reading high scoring vocabulary. So if you uh, stay or see before my all video, so uh, definitely you know that you have to take a notebook and a pen to start learning. Just start learning, don't waste a single moment, and just start learning, and don't give any excuse and find out others fault. Just start learning with silently, and definitely inshallah Allah inshallah help you. And if you are others religions, definitely your uh, creator also help you. So let's start, and it's depend if you believe that uh, uh, learning is the fast way of to become a human being. So if you definitely have to start, so there is no doubt. So let's start. Okay, recite, stay, recite, stay, comments, initiate, comments, initiate, comments, initiate, comments, initiate, comments, initiate, comments, initiate. Okay, terminate, terminate, conclude, terminate, conclude, terminate, conclude. Okay, alter, পরিবর্তন করা, alter, পরিবর্তন করা, modify, আমরা পরিবর্তন করা, alter, modify. Okay, obtain, acquire, 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 obtain, acquire. Okay, demonstrate, illustrate, demonstrate, illustrate, demonstrate, illustrate, demonstrate, illustrate. Preserve, conserve, preserve, conserve, preserve, conserve, preserve, conserve, রক্ষা করা। Brief, concise, brief, concise, brief, concise, brief, concise, brief, concise. Respond, react, respond, react, respond, react, respond, react. Decline, reject, decline, reject, decline, reject. Okay, so finally we'll start our, if anybody wants to get in IELTS band score 8 or 9, that this vocabulary is mostly helpful for you, and it's also advanced level and also confusing word. So let's start. So don't waste a single moment. I think it will be very helpful, and if you feel helpful, please comment in this comment section, mashallah, mashallah. Okay, and yes, yes, you can also comment here. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, explicit, স্পষ্ট ভাবে বলা, implicit, explicit, implicit, explicit, implicit. Valid, valid, legitimate, 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 legitimate. Consistent, constant, consistent, constant, consistent, constant. Temporary, provisional, temporary, provisional, temporary, provisional, temporary, provisional, temporary, provisional, temporary, সাময়িক, provisional, অস্থায়ী, potential, সম্ভাব্য, prospective, সম্ভাবনা, accurate, precise, accurate, precise, accurate, precise, accurate সঠিক, precise নির্ভুল, scarce দুর্লভ, rare বিরল, scarce দুর্লভ, rare বিরল, scarce দুর্লভ, scarce দুর্লভ, scarce দুর্লভ, rare বিরল, neutral নিরপেক্ষ, objective পক্ষপাতহীন, objective পক্ষপাতহীন, objective পক্ষপাত, objective পক্ষপাতহীন, objective পক্ষপাতহীন, justify যুক্তি দেওয়া, defend justify যুক্তি দেওয়া, defend justify যুক্তি দেওয়া, defend রক্ষা করা, overall throughout, overall throughout, overall throughout, overall throughout. So thank you my dear Friends, so today is end of the IELTS most advanced learning word part. So if you feel this kinds of all four video feel helpful, definitely uh, say pray for me and stay with learning. So thank you, and give you a comment, positive comment. I hope it will inspire me to make another video. So thank you, and definitely don't forget to note this at your in your book, and to take a pen and practice. And if you want to more advanced level, just also practice making a sentence. It's also very beneficial. So thank you. Allah Hafiz.